Hello everyone! In this video we will be making beautiful birds and swans. Let's get started. Start with cutting out the side view of the bird. Make sure you'll cut the bottom piece in one piece so you can put it together with some tape. Now you can cut out the top view on the bandsaw. Cut off the edges of the bird to make it round. Give the bird some more shape on the belt sander and sand it smooth. Transfer the shape of the swan onto the wood. We will start with cutting the front view. Put it back together with some tape and cut out the side view. Give the swans some more shape on the belt sander and sand them smooth. Make some small bases for your birds and your swans and you're ready.